Hey guys, it's me Priceless Beauty, and today we're going to be doing unboxing. So this is unboxing for Nike wears. Yeah, so the kids want a Nike and we got this from Sports Direct. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Please like, subscribe and comment down below. Yeah, and they're here. They can't wait to see.
Where's Marvin?
Marvin is sleeping, so we're going to unbox it without him. So let's go, guys.
Sports Direct did not sponsor us. Not. I know my Nike box.
So guys, this video is not sponsored. Yeah, it's not sponsored. So come on, guys.
You need to do the sides.
Let me do this side.
Yeah, you need to do that.
Just be careful. They can't wait to see it. They really love their Nike. Ooh, look at all those shoes. Wait. Oh, guys, look what we've got here. Wait, that is one of the surprise. The one you touch, that's one of the surprise. So the first one is this.
I think it's.
And it's Nike, like we said, it's a Nike. So whose one is this?
Those are mine.
Oh, this one looks like Christabel's one.
No, they're actually.
So guys, look at this.
It's a city.
Look at this.
Yeah, those are mine. City courts are mine.
Nike.
Yeah, I think it's yours.
It's a city court. So it's a city court Nike. Look at that. It's so
City Court
pretty.
7. It's the 7th one.
I love Nike. I love designer shoes. So Jasper, put it on. Let's see. Is that Jasper's?
Yeah, because they're size 4. Do you know how to do that?
So guys, look at it. That is it on. Turn around. Let's see. Yeah, so this one is a size 4. Yeah, my kid has got big feet. He's 9 years and he wears size 4. Look at that Nike symbol. So pretty, isn't it? You love it?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is Jasper's Nike.
I had 2 options. It looks comfortable.
Does it look comfortable? The quality is so great. Because the next one.
I think it's Marvin's.
Who is this one for? I think the next one is Marvin. So this one is for Leo Marvin.
It's got straps.
And
Nike.
what size is it?
2.
It's a size 2.
Yeah, that's what
I shouldn't have bought a size 2 in it. So Marvin's one is a flex contact. Marvin's one is a flex contact Nike. Looks comfortable. Look at that. Look at the quality.
What's this one, Mom?
Look at the back. So this is the back of it, and this is the side.
It's flex contact too.
And it's fresh contact too. So Marvin is sleeping, so he's not able to put it on. So that's Marvin's. So the next one to be open is, let's see, guys. Stop rushing. The next one. Whose one is that?
Mine.
It's Christabel's. Let's see close up.
These are basketball shoes.
It looks so pretty, isn't
He
it?
doesn't even wear during basketball that much. I said,
Look at that. It doesn't mean it's for basketball only.
Exactly, I have running shoes, so I'm running.
Look at that. Put it on. Let's see. So that's Christabel's one. Turn around. Let's see. Look at that. Beautiful Nike. Turn around. Yeah. So the reason why we bought all black is because they want to wear it to school. So they want to wear it for school. That's why we got black. And yeah, it's worth getting something expensive for school because it will last them longer than the other shoe. You know, when you buy these other shoes, give me one of these shoes. Let me show you like how they go. See, this shoe, when you buy something cheap, this shoe lasts only 1 month, and look at the hole there. It couldn't even last for 2 months, and look at the hole there. So yeah, so it's better to buy something expensive and branded, and it will last. And if, like, my advice is, if you are buying Nike or any branded shoe, make sure you go, for instance, Nike, you go to Nike.com or you go to Sports Direct, so you get the original one.
Not sponsored.
don't go to like you know, eBay or other sites, because they will do the Nike symbol there, but it wouldn't be original one. So that's my little advice for you. So yeah, let's wait.
Oh,
So the next one that we're gonna be unboxing is Lansdale. So Lansdale is really a good brand as well, and like, look at that.
Whose is that? I think that
It's beautiful.
Yeah, that's yours.
Look at that, and it's crystal. So we got all black. They can wear it to school, and it matches with everything. Look at that. It's beautiful. So put that one on. Let's see. So that one too is for Christabel. They thought they were expecting only one Nike, but they got additional surprise. Kids love surprise. So the next one is this Lansdale. This is for Jasper. It's the same as Christabel's one, because this one is universal. So boy, it can be either boys or girls, both can wear it. So this is a size 3 I got for Jasper. So Jasper put it on.
Why do I think it's a size 3?
I got a size 3 and not a size 4, because when I look at it, it looks like it comes in big sizes. Now put it on this one. So this is it. This is the Lansdale one. Turn around. It's beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, and I got size 6 for Christabel. Look at that. It's so nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And Jasper has got one of his one on. So Christabel's one is a size 6. Yep. She's 11 and she's got a big feet. So she's got a size 6. And Jasper's one is a size 3. I didn't buy size 4 for that. So the next one is this one. This is for Marvin, and it's also black. It's black one. It's all black and it's beautiful. And this band is tap out. So this one is tap out. It's beautiful shoe. So yeah, gonna wear it for school. And the next item is this one. So Christabel is gonna put it on. So yep, on sales, £16.
What was it originally?
Original is more than the original price is £45.99. Yeah, so guys, the original price is £45.99, and I got it for £16. Yep. So it's a really good deal.
Yo!
Whilst we wait for Christabel to put her one on, this one is for
Marvin.
Jasper. It's a sportswear, and its original price is £32.99, and I got it for £12. Yes, yep, I love bargain. So yeah, that's why I put it on. Let's see how it looks. And this one is
Oh, here comes. Take off your gum.
this one is character dog set Batman. So this one is a Batman one.
Hello.
Yep. So this one of them for Marvin, one of them for Jasper. So I bought the same color. Yep, I tend to do that sometimes. So this one, yep, £25. Sabes one is beautiful. £25, and the original price was £42. So yep, 50% off. See that? Yep, you can save. I love shopping for the boys, for the kids, both the boys and then
Put your Nike down here.
Marvin, come put on your clothes. Jasper, you need to take this off. Oh. The next item I got is this top, and it's 70% off, so it's $5.99, and it's a beautiful top. So she's gonna, that is for Belle. She's gonna put it on, and then you see how it looks like. So this is it on Christabel. Look at it. Sorry, the lighting is not so great. I'm gonna video. So look at that. This is how it looks. It's beautiful. Isn't it so nice? Do you like it?
Yeah.
And I bought a size for the tracksuit. I bought a size 8 from the adult range. A size 8 from the adult range. I wanted to get one for myself, but parents or the children comes first, and for me, my children always come first. By the time I finished spending, it was too much. I couldn't afford to get one for myself, but it's fine. The kids comes first. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Turn around, Belle. Let's see. Yep, it's really nice for the weather, innit? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's Belle's one, and she's got her Nike on to match it. Beautiful. So that's Jasper modeling his one. The top is a bit small. Do you like it, Jas?
Yeah. It fits me.
Yeah, turn around, let's see. Yeah, so that's Jasper's one with his Nike on. Turn around. Yep. So yeah, that's his one. So this is Marvin's one. Marvin, you look like you frowned a bit. He just wake up, so that's why. So this is Marvin's one and his Nike on. What do you think? You like it? Cause Marvin has got like about 3 sets of this one already. It's got the blue color and the white and the black in it. Marvin has got 3 sets of this one already. So yeah, that's Marvin's one. So that's the top for Christabel, and it looks really nice on her. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was like. So that is the Batman one for Jasper, and the trouser is what is it? Skinny one. It's a fitting skinny one. So Jasper, turn around. Let's see. I love the Batman one. Yep. The model is not modeling it well. Stop it, Jas. Yeah, so yeah, that's the Batman one, and it's great for the weather. What do you think, Jas? You like it?
I don't really know.
You don't know?
Yeah. I think it's good for the weather.
Yeah, it's good for the weather. So, and that's Marvin's one there. He just wake up, so he doesn't want to try them on. So we hope you enjoyed this video.
You really started
Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And we're just going to clean our mess that we've left on the floor now. It's a cleaning time. Come on, get into it and clean your mess, everyone.
Every single day